Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a nice bed liner with this vehicle as well, with a nice tailgate step, side bed steps as well, with mud flaps on the rear. We have a nice black platformed gripped running board with a nice bed camera as well, so you can take a nice look at your gear in the back as well, which is pretty nice. We do have mud flaps on the front, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, got that nice floor mat carpet interior, flat fold storage system, got some cup holders, heated back seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. You can fold this down, let me see if I can get it, for cup holders and arm space. And we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, tailgate spotlights, parking brake and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 82 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You get 2 more cup holders if need be, wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. Got that nice leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You even get a little light down there and some outlets. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here, with 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. Looking here, we do get a nice 360 view of our vehicle, and you can change the camera modes. I'm going to click into our bed camera. Pretty handy to keep a good eye on your gear, hazards, and traction. We have our engine brake and hill. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Bluetooth with Sirius XM capabilities, phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED34463, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.